Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat had very neat paws, and loved to eat his little fishy treats, one by one. He used tiny wooden sticks, called chopsticks. Blue the dog loved to gobble his food all at once. But Whiskers thought it would be fun if Blue tried chopsticks too. Whiskers sat very straight with his pointy ears up. He held two little wooden sticks in his paw, and gently picked up a piece of crunchy kibble. "See, Blue," he purred. Blue watched with his big floppy ears and wagging tail. His tongue lolled out as he looked at his bowl full of yummy brown kibble. Whiskers gave Blue two big chopsticks. Blue tried to hold them in his mouth, but they kept slipping. He wiggled his nose and tried to grab a piece of kibble, but the chopsticks just pushed it around the plate. Kibble went flying. Whiskers giggled, a soft little sound like tinkling bells. He showed Blue how to hold the sticks gently, one on top and one on the bottom. Blue tried again, his brow furrowed in concentration. It was still tricky. Finally, after many tries, Blue managed to poke a piece of kibble with the chopsticks. It wobbled on the end. He carefully lifted it to his mouth, and slurp, he ate it. Blue wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. Whiskers purred happily. Blue looked at Whiskers and smiled, his tongue still sticking out a little. He was much better at gobbling his food without chopsticks, but it was fun to try something new with his friend. Whiskers nudged Blue with his head. Even though they liked to eat in different ways, they both learned that trying new things together can be a lot of fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.